What is SBLK doing to navigate the downturn?
Well, SBLK has a fleet of 15 vessels, 7 Cape-size vessels and 8 Supramax vessels. For the Cape-size, that is the most volatile part of our business, we have chartered most of our fleet for 2012 and 2013, something that will permit us to weather the storm with no major problems and difficulties. On the Supramaxes, where there is less volatility, we are trying to benefit from hikes of the market and charter vessels in the best possible way. And therefore, right now, the numbers look all right. We don't have any issues with our banks regarding covenants. Our EBITDA will be enough to cover all the debt repayment schedule that we have. And therefore, we are ready to see the opportunistic acquisitions that we may find in front of us in order to grow further our fleet.
What type of ships specifically would you be looking for?
We're a specialized company in the dry bulk sector, and therefore we have specialized on the Cape-size and the Supramaxes. But we'll not say no if we find some other opportunities in other asset classes.
Would there be a preference for new buildings, resales, second-hand tonnage?
We're looking for everything, and we are also studying the possibilities of acquiring new eco-efficient vessels. The moment that it becomes, it shows that the market will be good in that classes as well.
So are you finding charterers prefer new fuel-efficient tonnage as opposed to, let's say, paying less for an older vessel?
Charters make their own calculations, and they put on the equation the cost of bunkers as well as the charter rate. Therefore, I think that they give a much bigger preference in vessels that consume less, and that, of course, becomes even more important when the prices of bunkers are going higher and higher.
Your former CEO was an advocate for consolidation in the shipping industry. Do you share this view?
Well, in theory it's good, but we haven't seen it happening. In the public markets, when your stock is trading below net asset value, it doesn't make a sense to go and buy vessels at net asset value and offering stock of your company. On the other hand, because it's easy to sell an asset on its real value, people do not go and put together and merging fleets. Therefore, and finally, there is also an ego problem between ship owners, and that they prefer having a smaller fleet than joining forces with somebody else and not being as we call it, the first violin in the orchestra.
Recently, one of your vessels was involved in an incident off of Turkey. What's going on with that situation right now?
Well, this vessel is being under repairs. I think it's a matter of days that we'll see her back in the market. I don't think it's something serious, and of course we have been fully insured for that vessel.
Are you taking action against the port?
We are considering all the options, and we'll do whatever is necessary to protect the interests of the company and the shareholders.